What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install the exhaust cutout on the Nissan Sentra. So yeah, like you guys heard, today we're going to install the exhaust cutout on the Nissan Sentra. And I had one previously a while back and that one's still working. But if you're still curious of what I'm talking about, let me show you. But before I show you, I want to take a huge moment to shout out Tori. You guys can see his car on screen right now. And all you have to do to be on my next video, here's my email. Send me your pictures to my email and you could be the lucky one. So yeah, huge shout out to Tori again. Thanks a lot, brother. Let's go back to the video. And boom, yeah, just like that. Here I have the exhaust kit. This one is basically a throttle that is going to be opened electronically. Obviously we have a wire that goes to it. Then we have the control box. Shout out to the neighbors for making noise. And the extension cable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the car and I'm going to show you how this works. Alright, so I just went ahead and connect the wiring into the car lighter. Nothing special. I'm going to run it like that for now. But the whole thing, how this thing works, I have a beeper like this one. And basically when I click it, it should open. And that's basically the magic. So I could be driving, and when I decide just to close it, just hit the bottom, and it should just close just like that. And open it whenever I need to. Make some noise, and then just call it a day. Yep, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna install this one. So yep, let's go. All right, so I went ahead and I have the car on jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead now and show you the existing cutout that I have. This one is actually right here, and you guys can see that I have the exhaust coming out of here, and the whole sensor is actually right here. You guys can see it here. I had to actually, the wire is actually cut there because that's what happened, it broke. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually go ahead and take this one out, put a new one, and we should be all good to go. So and for those curious, I have the white pipe right here. So yep, that's that. It's a little rusty over here, but it's a northeast car, and that's what happens, rust everywhere. But yep, we're gonna have fun with this car. It doesn't matter if it's rusted or not. Let's go. Alright, so successfully I got this one out. You guys can see how it looks. I have the tailpipe or whatever this thing is called out as well, and I have the gasket out. Here I have the new one, there is, and just to double check, you guys can see that the gasket fits on top. I'm gonna be reusing the same one because why not? Anyways, right there you guys can see that that's where this thing is gonna go on. 3 bolts and a gasket. I'm not gonna make you watch me install this. You guys saw me struggling a little bit to take it out, but yeah, again, those should be 3 bolts. I have the new bolts right here. The new kit came with them, and then after that it's gonna be basically run a wire all the way to the front. So yeah, after this we should start making some loud noises. So yeah, let's go. All right, so a few moments later and I'm done with this. I didn't put the tail or whatever the other thing was because the bolts, they were a little bit too short But anyway, this should work anyway. So I did run the wiring already. You guys can see it's actually right here. It goes all the way here, and I'm actually using this hole just to get it to all the way to the front. And I'm just using the car lighter for now. And when I press my button over here, right, my switch, you guys can see that it's working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually clean up real quick, and I'm gonna start up the car with this closed and then open so we can listen to the difference. So yeah, let's go. All right, so the car is back on the ground and we're gonna go for a drive, so let's go. Be a second gear, all right? Now it's open. Sounds good. It's a bit loud, but I mean, that's the point, right? Makes all the good noises. I like it. Just like that, it's closed. And that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. Today we installed an exhaust cutout and it sounds amazing in my opinion. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to send your pictures to my email to get a shout out on my next video. Also consider becoming a member and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and God bless you all.